50 words from letter K. Keel, keep, keeper, kennel, kerchief, kerosene, kettle, key, kibe, kick, kid, kidnap, kidney, kill, kind, king, kindergarten, kindle, kindly, kinetic, kingdom, kingcraft, kinship, kiss, kit, kitchen, kite, kith, kitten, knack, knapsack, knave, knee, kneel, knife, night, knit, knot, knock, naughty, knowledge, knowing, knockout, keeps, kiddie, killer, knobs, kilometers, kin, kick off, no, keyboard. Thank you for watching.